In this video, I will guide you on how to set up Delta Force Mobile for the best performance. So let's get started. First of all, you have to set graphics quality to medium or high depending on your device's performance. Enable initializing for smoother visuals. Turn off motion blur to reduce distraction. Set the frame rate to 60 fps or higher for a smoother experience. Lower graphics quality if you experience lag. Enable sprinting will cancel your healing process. Disabled, you can continue healing while sprinting with the manual cancel button. I will recommend you to keep this disabled. Provides more flexibility as you can always cancel healing manually when needed. So that's it. Enable custom layout to position buttons for quick access. Adjust sensitivity settings for better aiming and movement. Use the gyroscope for improved aiming. Enable 3D audio for better enemy tracking. Adjust the voice chat volume. Clear team communication. Clear team. Use Wi-Fi for lower latency. Enable low latency mode if available for smoother gameplay. That's it. Now we are set for the best Delta Force mobile experience. If this video helped, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.